Morning, everyone. Please keep your videos on, everyone.
Good
Good morning.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning, beta.
morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Please start your video. Start your video. Hmm.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Okay. Ready? All of you? Okay, so we are doing the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals. We have completed the first exercise or not? Or have we done question B and C in the exercise 18.1?
We have
All of you?
completed first exercise 18.1. Yes, sir. We have completed 18.1.
We have completed 18.1 or we have done only question A of 18.1? I think we have done C. C we have not done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question B we have done, we
Yes,
have
sir.
not
We
done
have done.
C.
Sir,
True,
we have
false.
done. Sir, we
True,
have to start
false.
18.2. We have completed 18.1.
Section A, section B have done. Section A students, have you done question C? True or false? Exercise
Yes, sir.
18.1.
Yes,
Section A
sir.
student. Beta section A students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done? बेटा लेकिन
Yes,
मैंने तो
sir.
कल
Yes, sir.
yesterday I
Yes,
discussed question C with section B and C. I had a combined class in the last period yesterday. So question C was discussed with section B and C. It was not discussed with A. Hmm. Okay, I'm just discussing it quickly. Okay, all of you. Question C, first part.
We have to do that in book or in notebook.
In the book only. Okay, Adya, read the first part quickly. Question C,
So the
first part.
first isosceles triangle has all its sides equal. So false. So can I?
Isosceles triangle has all sides equal. True or false, Adya?
The false.
False. Can you tell me the correct statement? What should be the correct statement?
Sir, an isosceles triangle has two sides equal and one side different.
Very nice. Only two sides are equal. Okay. Adeshika, read the second one.
Okay, sir. The sum of the angles of a triangle is to 120 degrees.
Sum of the angles of a triangle is 120 degree. True or false? Beta, keep your mics off.
Sir, this can I tell? Sir, this can I tell? Sir, the second one.
Yes, Mehul, tell the answer. Read the question and tell the answer.
Okay, sir.
the sum of the angle of a triangle is 120, so it's true.
Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 120. यहाँ पे
No, sir,
120
it's
लिखा है.
false.
It is
Sir, it's
120.
false.
That is false.
Sir, it's false.
Mehul, it is written 120 degrees here, so it is false. It should be 180 degrees. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. Ayushi, read the third one.
But this we have to do in our copy.
A
In the book.
triangle, a right angle triangle has one angle of 90 degrees. Sir, it's true.
It's true, correct. A right angle triangle has one angle of 90 degrees. Absolutely true. Okay. So I'm writing the answers of first, second, and third. False first, second again false, third one is true. Fourth one. Shriyansh Patel will tell us the fourth one. Shriyansh. Can you read the third one? Karthik Shankar, beta, your drawing is very nice.
Sir, can I?
Yes. Ujasvi, yes.
Sir, fourth one.
Yes.
A triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. Sir, it is true.
A triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. It is absolutely true. There can be only one obtuse angle, not more than one. So the statement is true. Fifth one. Vivek, fifth one.
A triangle can have three angles measuring 45 degrees, 75 degrees, and 65 degrees.
Beta, can you read it again? The voice was not clear.
A triangle can have three angles measuring 45 degrees, 75 degrees, and 65 degrees. So false.
A triangle can have three angles measuring. Why? Can you tell me the reason, Vivek? You are saying false, but why? Why triangle cannot have three angles as 45, 75, and 65?
And may I tell you this one?
Beta, wait. Vivek,
So because if we add these three angles, we get 175 degrees, not 180 degrees.
we get 185 degrees, which is more than 180. We cannot have the sum of all the three angles more than 180 or less than 180. It should be exactly 180 degrees. So here, if you add all the three angles, you're getting 185, which is not possible. So what is your answer? False. Okay. I'm removing Alokit Pathak because he is the one who is
Last one.
very dedicated child, one of the very dedicated children. He is not able to connect his mic, but still he's so dedicated. He has connected only his video. Okay. So I'm removing him.
Sir, can I tell the last one?
So can I tell the last one?
Can I tell? Can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Can I tell?
Yes. Beta, wait,
Triangle
Dhwani,
has
beta.
two sides.
Dhwani, I thought Dhwani is saying. Yes, Dhwani, tell the last one.
Sir, false. A scalene triangle has two equal sides.
A scalene triangle has two equal sides. Is it true or false?
Sir, false.
Sir,
False. Why, Dhwani? Why?
Because a scalene triangle do not have two equal sides if three equal sides are not equal.
Huh?
If
All the three
Sir,
sides are
can
not
I
equal.
not equal.
She's right. All the three. She's trying to say that all the sides are unequal. ठीक है, very good. So in an scalene triangle, all sides are unequal. Yes, Arjun Bhardwaj. Arjun, you are raising your hand, Arjun. Any doubt? Arjun beta, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Acha, your hand was raised, so I thought that you have a doubt. So this exercise is over. Now what you all have to do, you have to write these properties of different types of quadrilaterals. The next topic is quadrilaterals. Do you all know what is a quadrilateral? The next topic is quadrilateral. Do you all know what is a quadrilateral? Why do we call it as a quadrilateral? Anji. Anyone? किसी को नहीं पता? Why?
No, sir.
What is the meaning of a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral has, like a triangle has 3 sides. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3 sides.
Sir,
Three
in
angles.
a quadrilateral, they have four equal sides.
Not equal. It has 4 sides. Any quadrilateral, any figure, if it has any closed figure, if it has 4 sides, then it will be called as a quadrilateral. छोटी बड़ी टेढ़ी मेढ़ी कैसी भी हो सकती है. टेढ़ी से मेरा मतलब है they could be parallel, they could not be parallel also. So, but even if the sides are parallel or not parallel, but if they have 4 sides, then the figure will be known as a quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. ठीक है? Any shape having 4 sides is a quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral. A rectangle is an example of a quadrilateral or not? Can we call a rectangle as a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides? बोल सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Can we call a square as a quadrilateral? So this is
Yes,
a
sir.
square. Is it a quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Can we call a parallel? Do you all know what is a parallelogram?
Sir,
Sir, we can call.
Parallelogram is a shape which
I
has
think no, sir.
opposite sides parallel to each other. Parallel lines क्या होती हैं? The lines which never meet. If you produce them, then also they will never meet. For example, this side and this side, they are parallel. Why? Because if you produce them further, मैं इसको आगे कितना भी बढ़ा दूं, क्या कभी ये दोनों एक दूसरे को मीट करेंगी? Are they going to meet? Never. Why? Because
No,
they
sir.
are parallel. So these are parallel lines. So in a parallelogram, the opposite sides, for example, side AB and side CD, AB and CD, these are parallel. ऐसे ही AD और BC ये भी parallel होते हैं. They will also never meet. If you produce them further, they will never meet. So a parallelogram is also an example of quadrilateral. Why? Because it also has 4 sides. So any shape which has 4 sides and it is a closed shape, it is known as a parallelogram. There are more examples of parallelograms. Square, rectangle, quadrilateral. More examples of quadrilateral. First is a simple quadrilateral, second is rectangle, third is rhombus, fourth is parallelogram, fifth is trapezium, and kite also is an example of quadrilateral. All these are examples of quadrilateral. What is a kite? Do you know the kite shape? Kite पता है क्या होती है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the shape which is like a
Kite.
kite.
हाँ, kite is also a type of shape in math. Math में एक kite shape भी होती है. ऐसे होती है
So we
kite.
can say like
Kite.
a square also.
Not a square. This is a kite. ऐसी होती है kite. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is a kite. So this is also a quadrilateral, am I right? All of you? Count the number of sides in this.
Yes, sir. It is having 4 sides. It is
So,
having 4
Yes,
sides.
it's
sir.
having.
so
So
it is a
this is the first side. This one is the second one, and this is the third side, and this is the fourth side. So it has 4 sides. So this is an example of quadrilateral. And the 4-sided figures, any quadrilateral, that means has 4 angles also. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 4 angles. Okay. So now what you all have to do, you have to write about these shapes. इनके बारे में लिखना है. So can you see the table yellow color made in
Yes,
your
sir.
on your page number 145? Page number 145, the table is given in yellow color. Page 145, there is a table given in yellow color.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you have to draw this table in your copies. You have to write the details. Okay. You have to draw the shape, name the figure, write some properties of this in your copy. Okay. Start doing it, all of you. Have you all started it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
What does we have to write in notebook?
Yes, copy.
Okay, sir.
It is giving you about the details of the types of quadrilaterals, all the details. What is a parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel, which I have already told you. Okay. Square क्या होता है? Do you all know what is a square? Can you tell me anything special about a square?
The
Sir,
square
it has
4
4
equal
equal
sides.
parts.
4 equal sides.
Sir,
Sir, it has 4 right angles. Sir, it
4
has
right
4
angles.
right angles.
Sir, each angle is 90-degree angle.
Very good, very good. You all are very intelligent.
Sir,
A square has
Sir, the
4.
square
sir.
has the body lines parallel.
Very nice.
So we have to make this table.
Yes, you have to make this table in your copy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. A square has 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. And what is so special about the quadrilateral? All the 4 sides are equal, and all the 4 angles are right angles. That means 90 degrees each. So these
Sir,
are what?
the
ये जो
lines
मैंने
of
आपने
square are
आपको जो
parallel to each other.
ये जो मैंने आपको स्पेशल बात बताई स्क्वायर के बारे में, these are known as properties. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? What do we call these? स्पेशल बातें जो हैं, what do we call them? We call them as properties. Okay. So these are properties of square. ऐसे ही there are some properties of rectangle also, properties of parallelogram also. So please make this table and write down these special properties of a square, rectangle, parallelogram, and everything.
Sir, we have to write sides and angle also.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to write.
Sir, whole table.
Yes, whole table. Is it very big? It is very important. Let me tell you, it is very, very, very important for your higher classes. So I'm making you write down because you are going to gain a lot from this table. Hmm? Yes, Om Agarwal, you want to say something? ओम अग्रवाल कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आप?
Can you,
Sorry.
sir, we have to make this horizontally or vertically?
Anyway, you can make this in any way. Horizontally, vertically, कैसे भी बना लो. Okay. I think anyway, you can draw it in any way. You can make all the three columns separately. Suppose if you are having problem with in making it like this, like it is given in the book, first you can write only for parallelograms. Okay, you can write down the heading parallelogram.
Okay, sir.
ऐसे करके भी लिख सकते हैं. Parallelogram लिख लिया पहले heading. You draw a parallelogram. Okay, and then you write about the properties related to sides. Write down here whatever it is. Then angles. This was the first one. What is the so special about the angles of parallelogram? Then you start the second one, square. Okay, understood. You can write it like this also. No need to, if you don't want to draw the table, you can do it like this also. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You can do it in this manner also. Okay, start doing it. We are going to discuss about the properties once you are able to, once you are finished with it, finished with writing the properties.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please tell what we have to write because I was disconnected.
You have to write about these shapes. There is a table given on page number 145. Look at the table, yellow color.
Copy.
Yes, you can write all these things in the form of table also, or you can write them like this, which I have written in the board. जैसे मैंने board पे लिखा है. You can write about parallelogram, square, and everything in this way also. But you have to take help from the table which is given in the book.
Ma'am, sir, I have done.
Okay, beta. You have written all the properties. इतनी जल्दी?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Wait for some time. Let others also complete. Yes, have you all finished or not?
Sir, I am on. Sir, I am on last.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay. None, all of you. How many of you are still doing?
Sir, I am doing.
Sir, I am doing.
Okay, beta jaldi karo.
Sir,
Those who have done, they can raise their hands. Raise your hands, those who have done. Raise your hand in the app. Zoom में hand raise option होता है, use it. Put your hands down. Many of you are still doing. Yes, Garv? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.